Welcome to another CKA Sample CKA test video. I'm an Azure Solutions Architect, Azure Administrator, Azure Security Engineer, as well as a certified Kubernetes application developer. CKA Sample Test Question number 2, 2022 edition. A junior admin approaches you and says, "Hey, I was in the kubelet.config file and made the changes you suggested, but now the cluster is not working." Alright, the first thing you might want to do is prepare for the question or set the question up is to go ahead and download the kubelet.config file from my GitHub website. Now this step is not really necessary, but if you want to have the full learning experience, I put the file out there for you. So I'll go ahead and get that file. I already have it, but I'll go grab it. Here's my GitHub website, and I'll add a bigger picture in the video when I edit. And you want to go to CCAD files. I know it's a CKA, but I'm too lazy. And go into CKA, and then here's the file. Probably the easiest way. You can probably, I think there's a way to download it from here. But probably the easiest way is just to take it like this. Go to raw. Highlight it all. Come down here. I'm going to make a 2. And then just do a paste. Then you got the file. Okay. So now what I want to do is look at this config file that our junior admin changed and take a look at it. So we can do a cat. I'm going to do a vim kubelet f, and you see it looks pretty good. You got a certificate for my user, which is the user we created. Well, not. You might not have gotten that question yet, but will be a video on how to create a new user for RBAC. And then version 1's correct. Certificate looks good. So I really don't see anything wrong in this file. Now you might see something wrong in the file if you're used to the Kubernetes cluster and seeing this, but let's pretend you don't see anything really strong here. So you want to do is compare this to the running file. So quit here, do a kubectl config view. Whoops, kubectl. You can see the real big difference here is this port number. So 6443 here, and cat. And 4443 here. So 6443 versus 4443. So you're going to then vim into our file. and change the port to, change that 4 to a 6. Now this would probably not be worth many points, but this is a very quick question, and you hate to get it wrong, right? So I thought I'd just throw it in there for that benefit, for that purpose, because it might throw you off. Like you might think it's, oh my god, this big complex question, cluster's not working. How am I going to find the problem? It's probably going to be something really simple like this. So all right, well thanks for watching, and look out for question 3.